was widely praised for his Golden Globe-nominated role in the Coen Brothers movie Inside Llewyn Davis. He's back now, starring in A Most Violent Year alongside Jessica Chastain. As a self-made man trying to run a business in the 80s, during a time of crippling corruption and deadly rivalries in New York City. Here they are after a suspicious gun has been found on their property. Take a look.
This is your kid playing with a loaded gun.
I know what it is. Let me deal with it.
Oh, you better. You're not gonna like what'll happen once I get involved.
So happy to have Oscar Isaac with us, and a big fan of Llewyn Davis, and now this role is just so meaty. Must have been a great joy to play, to be compared to the greats like Al Pacino, great New York films like Serpico. What was the experience like for you?
It was very cold. We shot it almost exactly a year ago, and it was one of the coldest years on record. So it was, it was pretty wild. It's so much fun.
Your character, Abel Morales, is trying to stick to a personal code of ethics. Not easy to do during this time.
Right, well, this is a young man who is trying to expand his heating oil business in one of the most difficult times in the city, which was 1981. It's on the edge of bankruptcy and collapse. And this guy sees opportunity there. But he also doesn't want to give into the violence of the area. And sometimes, you have to do some dubious things to get ahead. And his wife, played by the wonderful Jessica Chastain, she definitely feels that he should push the limit and get a gun and protect himself and show strength that way. But he's at his core a pacifist.
He wants to do the right thing.
He wants to do it the most right way.
Yes.
And that's kind of the whole point of it, is how do you navigate ethically in a town where everyone says you gotta hustle to make it. You do whatever it takes to get ahead.
Yeah.
And he's not willing to do anything.
The movie has really resonated with critics, and George was saying he loved it. And just a couple of, I'll toot the horn. National Border Review Best Actor.